guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to make jollof rice. I noticed that I don't have jollof rice video in my YouTube channel, so I thought of it. Why is there no jollof rice video? So I thought of making it. So join me, let's cook the jollof rice together. And let me show you guys the things I'm going to use. I'm also going to add some green peas, beans and all that. So here are the things I'm going to be using for the jollof rice. As you can see, I've not sliced them yet. So when I'm done slicing them, I'm going to show you everything, and then we start. My rice, 3.5 cups of rice, 5 seeds of tomatoes, fresh tomatoes I mean, and other things that I'm going to be using.
I begin to
So I'm done slicing the things I'm going to use to cook it. So my green pea, green beans, green pepper, carrot, and the onions I'm going to use for my meat. This food is going to be delicious. Now I'll be adding my onions. So fry, and it's going to look brownish before adding your fresh tomatoes. So I decided to use this method today because I want to make it. I want to cook and do other things. So I'm going to allow it dry before adding my tin tomatoes. Okay, so it's time to add my tin tomatoes. Sure. And I'm going to cook my tomatoes for some time before adding salt and seasoning cubes. Okay, seasoning cubes and salt. So I'm going to leave it for some time before adding my meat sauce. So it's time to put your meat sauce here and leave it for like 4 to 5 minutes. Then add water and then you add your rice. So it's time to add water. Wow, this is very hot. I can't even see the taste of what I'm cooking right now. And the next thing is your rice. So you stir together before adding your rice, so your already mixed stew, just like that. And rice. I didn't parboil the rice, I just washed it. And it's looking this way. So I'm going to add more water because the water that I added is not enough. So I can't disturb So you saw the way I was adding everything. I started with the strong ones, the strong vegetables, and then to the soft ones. So I'm going to leave it for 2 minutes and then I'm done before I mix the vegetables with the jollof rice. Yummy. So here are my vegetables. It's time to add the vegetables. So you mix them together. Leave it for like 1 minute before removing it from fire. Wow. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.